Well. Welcome back, my vendors and manufacturers and esteemed professionals. After launching of uh, vendor registration link on our website, that is given on neoinfinit.com at bottom right corner over here, you have to just click on that particular link and you will be redirected to Google Form and get registration done with us to help you grow more. After successful vendor registration of 70 plus vendors in last 2 months, we have decided to call you for presentation in person or online on Google Meet. For that, we have made a sample template for that. To get this PPT, my team will be mailing you. You will be receive this mail, that is a request for product presentation. After that, your name will be displayed. In this mail, you will get two links, one of this video and second in presentation template. You have to click on that particular presentation template and you have to make the copy. To make this work out, you must sign into Google or Google Workspace account. So these things will be easy to work on Google Slides. Once you make a copy, you have to rename the presentation, that is your company name. Second step, you have to go to view, go to theme builder and select master slide. From that you can change your logo. Please do not delete our logo. This is sample template for all our esteemed vendors. After adding your logo in this slide, you just close it. For example, we'll go to view, theme builders, we'll change the logo. You can just delete. You can insert from image, you can upload from your computer. And adjust as per your size. Make sure this will not spill off the page. Once you add your logo, you can just simply adjust as per your logo size and just leave as it is. And after adding your logo, you just close. Then you can see your logo will be applied to all your slides. Then we go through the sample template. This is a title slide. You can add your welcome slide over here. Your company overview, just brief us when the company started, what is the purpose. These are some sample questions that we have provided for your guidance. Then you can add your products. For additional product requirements, you can add 2-3 more slides as per your requirements. After that you can add your Google reviews. That can be certificate image, video formats, or Google reviews also will work it out. After Google reviews, you can add case studies, success stories that makes your more presentation and gain the trust from our clients and customers as well. Costing and competitive analysis. This is most important slide of your presentation. That will be going to deciding around 99% times that product is going to be used or not. So costing and competitive analysis is very important. For any help, you can just call us or we can discuss during our presentation. Any future plans that you are planning for your product, services, that you can mention over here. If not, then you can just delete this slide. Question answer, you write some your sample questions that you feel that consultant must know about it. We'll be sharing you our questions as well. So you will become prepared for that, for those answer those questions. हाँ, वो आसानी रहेंगे जो हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए हम रहेंगे. Contact information. Contact information is a very important slide that will help us and our esteemed clients to contact you. And we have very surprise element for this slide that will be launching in our coming soon video series. So please guys subscribe to get more update on MEP and construction industry. Second, help us to grow you more. Thank you. Signing off, Prashant Barbade.